natural beauties, looks like the holidays are coming early this year. And the reason I'm saying that is that Lancome is going to be launching their annual holiday beauty box on October 19th, and I've got a little sneak peek for you. Honestly, I think the Lancome beauty boxes just get better and better every year. The value is higher, they're adding more products. Personally, this year is one of my favorite 10 full-size items, including 2 of my favorite skincare products. Without further ado, let's get into the beauty box. So this is the actual box. You can see you're getting a lot of product. It's a $422 value that you get for just $65 with any purchase from Lancome, any purchase over $35. So definitely a great value. The size of the box is cute. I will show you the case in just a bit. And they have 2 colors. So this is the Cool, which is the glam, and they also have a warm, which is a glow. So whether you want to glow or glam, they've got you covered. Now let's talk about this year's case. It is so cute. Like, I would buy this honestly just for the case. It's a hard case, so definitely will protect all of your stuff. I think it's a convenient size to throw in your luggage when you're traveling. Just protect all of your skincare. And then it's got 2 layers, which is awesome because you can, organize. You can put your skincare on the bottom, your makeup on the top. You can use it to organize your jewelry. And I've got everything in here. They all come wrapped in tissue paper, but I did unwrap them. So just a quick overview of everything in the box. Let's start off with the skincare products. You get a full-size 1-ounce Genifique. If you were to get this alone, it's $78. So included in the box, $65. You get a full-size Genifique. That is incredible to me. I don't even know how they do it, but they do. And also the Genifique Eye Cream. Now this is a $67 value on its own. So worth more than the box. This eye cream is great for hydrating. It's great for depuffing, dark circles. And going into the makeup, we've got the Seals Booster Eyelash Primer and the Monsieur Big Most Volumizing Mascara. So with the Monsieur Big, I'm going to show you a demo. When they first launched the Monsieur Big, I was not fond of it, but when I learned how to use it properly, it's like a love-hate relationship, and now I absolutely love this mascara. And then also for your eyes, you get the Le Crayon Kohl Pencil in Ebony Black. This pencil is quite long, so it will last you a really good time. In the box, you get 2 full-size limited edition palettes. For the eyeshadow, you'll get this beautiful palette with pinks, blues, grays, and silver. And a blush, highlight, and bronzer palette, so you can get your glam on this holiday season. And there's still more. Okay, so for the lipsticks, I really like that they included 2 lipsticks. One is a more nude neutral, something wearable every day, so that's definitely useful. And then a classic red, because everybody needs a perfect red lip, especially with the holidays coming up. You can really switch your look up with these palettes and lipsticks. You can do so many different combinations. And then of course, with all these beautiful colors, you're going to be doing tons of makeup looks. So you will need a makeup remover, and they've included a full-size Bifacil makeup remover. This stuff is amazing. A little bit takes off all of your makeup, including waterproof. So definitely cute that they added a makeup remover with all of this. So in this box, you have everything you need. I would recommend, since it is a purchase with purchase, and the only thing not included in the box is really a foundation or a concealer. So maybe get your foundation, concealer, and then get the beauty box. Alright, so let's see how well these wear. I'm going to swatch on all the colors first. So take a look at all the eyeshadow colors and all the bronzer colors, as well as the lipstick swatches. Let's get into application. When you look at the palette, it kind of looks like you've got 2 quads. This one's like very rosy pink, and then this one you can also smoke it out. I was kind of drawn to these colors right over here, so I'm going to do a simple daytime look. You could always smoke it out, do different combinations. So starting off with a transition color, I'm taking this blush pink, and this is a matte shade. Most of these are shimmer. You only get 2 matte shades, which is the pink and the gray. So I'm going to go in with this for transition. This color makes for such a pretty transition color, and it is buildable as well. And then with a flat brush, I'm taking this Ruby Velvet Nice maroon color all over the lid. colors are quite pigmented. And I haven't even sprayed my brush or anything. So there is a little bit of fallout, but nothing you can't dust off. Venturing onto the other side of the palette, I'm taking a little dome brush and I'm going into this gray color. I'm going to smoke out the outer corner. And if you feel like this look might be a little too intense for you, feel free to switch out this base and use like one of these lighter baby pink shades. That will look so fresh. I actually might mix in a little bit of this lighter pink on the top corner. Wow. And just sweeping it inwards a little bit, and we'll blend those two together. So now it has more of a gradient effect. I'm going to add a little bit of highlight to the inner corner of my eye and right underneath the brow bone. I'm going to go underneath the eye and smoke it out a little bit. So I'm going to use a little bit of the gray and the pink. I really like smoking out the lower lash line because I feel like it just pulls the whole look together. And then, of course, we're going to be adding some eyeliner and mascara. And to complete the look, no need to throw on falsies since we've got our Seals Booster and the Monsieur bag. So the Seals Booster has little microfibers on it that will stick onto your lashes, so it's going to make any mascara you use look great. I only do the Seals Booster on my top lashes, but you can definitely do it on your top and bottom. And then the Monsieur bag. So with this one, nothing better than opening a fresh tube of mascara. When I first start using it, like the first week or two, you kind of want to scrape off the wand just so you make sure you're not getting too much product on. Ooh, look at that. Look at the difference. Alright, let's do the bottom lash and the other eye. With the eyes done, let's move on to the blush. Beautiful colors in here. I think I'm going to go with this one. Oops. Should not have done that. These blushes are quite pigmented, so make sure you tap off the brush. And no glam look is complete without a highlighter. So with the fan brush, I'm going to take this beautiful gold highlight. Ooh, looks so dewy and fresh. You could even mix these together. For the lips, I chose the Hot Nude from the box. This is a perfect everyday color. Definitely a go-to lipstick. I am ready to head out. What do you guys think of the look? I'm going to wear it throughout the day, see how well it wears, and then when I come back tonight, I'm going to show you the makeup removal with the Bifacil, and then of course use the wonderful Genifique products before I go to bed. I'm back. It was a long day. I got some compliments on my makeup, which I was very happy about. Overall, I think everything lasted pretty well. The lipstick I reapplied throughout the day, and now it is gone again, so it's not a very long-wearing lipstick. But it's super hydrating. My lips feel very soft and everything else lasted pretty well. Even the highlighter is still shining. Now time to take it all off. I'm going to use the Bifacil Double Action Makeup Remover. So you want to shake this up before you use it because it does have oil in it and it's childproof. And the best way to remove your makeup without tugging at your skin is saturate the cotton balls with makeup remover and then just set them on your eyes for 30 seconds. Let it break up all the makeup. And then just gently wipe away. So it's getting everything off. Now that the makeup's off, I'm going to go cleanse and tone, and I'll be back for the serum. I'll start off by using the Genifique before any other night creams. It's always the first step in your skincare routine after cleansing and toning. And the dropper is very convenient. It gives you the exact amount that you will need. You can actually even use the Genifique on your lips as well. Right now I'm feeling very plumped and hydrated, and I've absolutely loved trying everything out in the box. Let me know what your favorite product in the box was, and if you think you'd go for a glow or a glam. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you so much for watching.